Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a note to a Google Sheets cell. Alright, so a note is a more simplistic comment basically. So in a Google Sheets cell comment you can tag other contributors, or other people can see that this is you who has added that comment. A note is a more simplistic one. As you can see, when you add a note, this will appear here, so you can see there is a note here, and if you click on it you can see the note and you can edit the note any way you want. So how you can add notes to a Google Sheets cell? All you have to do is select the cell you want to add a note to, right click on that cell, and you're gonna have the option to insert a note. And if you click on that, as you can see, you can insert any note you want. If you don't need the note anymore, just right click on the cell and you're going to be able to delete the note from that cell. So now this is how to add a note to a Google Sheets cell. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.